Alright, well, before I get to that big old sign there, here's some pieces we carved out today. Little bear, little gnome, another little bear. And I got this little shelf I got to finish up. This way. And then I just put live edge on it. Just something small. That wood was too small to do anything. Those little bears are hard to do with that little chainsaw there, the MS-170. There it is. So here's how it all started. Was that you got that in there? And I decided to do the welcome. Then I decided to stone the base. You can see they come out really good. And it goes, the rocks go all the way around. Both sides. And up the middle. I was going to leave that. I was going to have them so they match, but it didn't look right. So let me back up here. That sign is just over 10 foot. You know, with the bases and everything. Big old bugger. So that's what she looks like. Happy to be finished with it. Yeah, I'll get in closer. The rocks. Silver maple. Got that wolf howling at the moon. And then that welcome really popped out there. I'm glad it did. See when you go from the side. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see it pretty good from both sides. And those rocks on this side. Yeah. Alright, that's it for today, I think. Well, at least for videos.